Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Arabic reading skills with Mango Languages easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by signing up for a Mango Languages account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, select the Arabic course from the language options. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the course. Begin with the basics by accessing the introductory lessons. Focus on the phonetic pronunciations provided for each letter and word. Repeat the exercises multiple times to reinforce your understanding. As you progress, pay special attention to vocabulary introduced in each lesson. Utilize the interactive reading exercises to apply your skills. Take advantage of the audio features to hear native pronunciations. Practice reading aloud to enhance your pronunciation and fluency. Review previous lessons regularly to solidify your learning. Engage with the cultural notes provided to connect language with context. Set a daily goal for your reading practice to maintain consistency. Track your progress using the dashboard to see improvements. If you encounter difficulties, revisit challenging sections for further study. Participate in community forums to ask questions and share experiences. Use the mobile app for on-the-go practice whenever you have free time. Finally, stay patient and positive as language learning takes time and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.